Hi guys, happy birthday to our beautiful Nigerian finest Nollywood actress Luchy on your special day wey she come dey celebrate like this for inside Turkish private jet. Your boyfriend don carry you go private jet go do your birthday. If you never do am, be say you never get chikara. E choke normally because we all know say anything when it concern this our actress is always different, especially when we all know say she and a Destiny Atiku their matter na clash wey be say even with the tafia social media in-laws we no fit settle am inside this kind of ogbonge matter. Now I say make I come knack am for una table, but before we go dey dive in, make I throw away salute, my ogbonge salute. If I not throw away, wetin I get. Hello my correct people, welcome back again to another new episode on Aproko and Entertainment Tafia Gist. In case you just come across this my ogbongelicious page for the first time on the Boss Lady TV or my YouTube channel on the Boss Lady TV, support your girl and follow our page, subscribe to our channel, help us to share our video and let it go wide. So guys, today we all remember our super diva, this our Uku baby like this as she dey celebrate this amazing +1 on this a special day. She can let us know say yes, that thing when even Destiny Atiku go see, she go shocktalize when she never do, not be to go UK. This one she can celebrate this ogbongelicious birthday for inside private jet. Una know how it dey roll when it comes to these two adults, these two celebrity, two of them the way that they badge on each other like they badge like tomorrow no day, guys. Everybody know now. So the way that they really badge on themselves when it comes to who get the big uku, when it comes to who get the money in the bank, I been at the one where you're going to ask say who fine pass or who get the biggest sugar daddy. We all remember say this our Luchy she offer herself last year on this same birthday 2021 modern car. Like everybody still shook. She know they talk too much, but she dey handle the things. She dey do the things on her own way. She dey run the matter. Una know I say they move now. Yet I go now. This one we dey call ororo. You know they fade. So guys, today as she dey celebrate her like this, my ogbongelicious people, she and her crew, her friends, her lovers join together inside this a sugar daddy private jet. Come give us the latest on board, and we all the wait to see who is the face of this sugar daddy. Just say to make I knack her, make I throw the face on and make una know who be the man behind this beautiful success of our sister, our Nollywood super diva actress Luchy. But before that one, make una try help us share this video, make una help us follow this page, because these two girls now two different character in two different dimension. When two of them they do all this their buzz moves like this, I would imagine like waiting that they would the drag, waiting that they fight for, waiting that they do. Now inside them, my country people, now we can see say today only he really shook. She shocked the world like this. Like even Destiny Atiku don't know what to even do at this moment, because who you feel say you pass, she can't do some kind of crazy things when it be say the matter. Oh my God, when you hold your head like this, you don't even know how to imagine and say she even get that kind of imagination mentality, or who go do that kind of thing for her. So my people, waiting on a reason how una feel say today will be this her birthday when she go celebrate for inside of Monge private jet with her crew. How our beautiful actress when we dey see this their buzzballs, how it won't be for our side today. Leave your comment based on what you reason say it go happen after the party. So thank you all for watching. Wish our beautiful Nollywood super diva brand ambassador who always they carry ambassador. We all know how it is the role Luchy Donna on this a special day. So guys, thank you all for watching. Help us to share this video. Follow our page on The Boss Lady TV. Follow our channel and subscribe on The Boss Lady TV. So love you all for your constant love and your super amazing support. Mama Aproko, I wish you all the best. Thank you all for sharing and thank you all for being here. See you all on our next video. And bye-bye.
LD to the top. It's time. It's L this weekend. L weekend.